तुम पूछो तो भारत क्या है। मैं मौन, मौत, इश्क सुकून कह दूंगी। मैं शिव शक्ति अभी राख में भारत कह दूंगी। और कह दूंगी कि गंगा गली घर और घाट भारत है। हिंदुस्तान कहो, इंडिया कहो, हर नाम में हर भारत है। तुम पूछो तो भारत क्या है। Greetings to one and all present here. I am Viha Dave
And I am Hiya Jadhav,
taking you through this incredible country. India is more than just a piece of land. It's a celebration of our culture. And this is why it boasts its cultural tourism. But what is cultural tourism? Cultural tourism is when people decide to explore different countries to experience different cultures. And what better place to do that than India? Let's start with temple tourism. It's when people decide to go on pilgrimages or visit different temples. And India has many. From the Konark Sun Temple to the Meenakshi Temple, India is filled with them. Next is tourism for festivals. When people want to explore different festivals, they decide to explore the globe for it. And it's called tourism for festivals. India is known as the land of festivals, and it has the most of them. From Diwali, Durga Puja to Holi and Navratri, India boasts its festivals. Then we have tourism for different cultures and cultural cities. We have the city of Varanasi and Jaipur in the north, as well as Mysore and Hampi and Kerala in the south, for people to explore India's diversity. Next is tourism for handicrafts. When people decide they want to learn the artistic heritage of handicrafts, this is known as tourism for handicrafts. We have textile crafts, embroidery crafts, pottery, etc., which is absolutely amazing and show the artistic heritage of India. And it has a huge impact. It boasts local economies as well as helps people encourage global understanding and promotes cultural preservation, as well as many more.
Well, India is not known only for its culture, it's also known for its passion for sports. Well, let me introduce you to the sports tourism in India. So, what is sports tourism? Sport tourism is when people go around the globe to participate, spectate, and engage in different sports related activities. So, there are many places in India if you are a sports lover. Firstly, we have the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in New Delhi. It's the heart of Indian sports. It's known for its international football matches and Olympic level athletics. Next up, we have the Kalinga Stadium in Odisha, India. It's located in Bhubaneswar and it has transformed the pride of India, the heart of India, hockey, into an international sport. And lastly, in Gujarat, we have the Narendra Modi Stadium. It's the world's largest stadium and it has a capacity of 132,000 fans. And more importantly, whether you're there to watch the IPL matches or just to feel the electric atmosphere, it's the perfect place. India is not just a place full of culture, it's a place full of vibrancy and emotions. Tourism and travel is not just a passion or hobby, it's a skill. So, whenever you're traveling, whether it's for sports or for any other reason, make sure you keep your mind open, learn, and enjoy the magical process. Thank you.